We are dealing with this ugly situation in the bathroom around the bathtub. Apparently this tub had been painted, but as you can see it didn't work well. The paint is chipping away. I have to fix this look as quickly as possible as the place is rented and tenants are coming in a few hours. This is a lake house, an Airbnb rental unit, and I just took over the management. I'm a superhost and I want to keep my status as a superhost. This means that I have to make sure guests have an amazing stay, and this look is just not acceptable. We need a quick and effective fix for now until we have a few days of vacancy so we can get the tub refinished. My initial plan was to use this epoxy touch-up kit, but it won't work for today as it needs some time to cure and it would stink. And I think this peeling is too large to use an epoxy touch-up anyways. So I came up with a solution that will probably raise some eyebrows now, but it will solve our problem right now. White duct tape. Yep, I'm gonna use a white duct tape to cover the hideous look for now. I've used duct tape in the past in wet areas and it holds up just great. Thankfully they come in white and it will save the day for me today. I ended up using 2 layers because the dark color was showing through after a single layer. What do you think, guys? What else do you think I could have done to fix the look in such a short time? Don't forget the thumbs up if you like my solution. All done. Not perfect, but so much better than this. A little bit of caulking would also improve the look, but I don't have time today. I have to leave before the guests arrive.